Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm out in the CFMOTO zone and we are looking at a 2025 CFMOTO ZFORCE 950 Sport 4. We just installed the RYCO street legal kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about the kit. To activate the kit, simply go down with the lever. It does tie into those nice indicator arrows up on the dash. Very clean look. How does it work? How does it look? It's going to tie into those stock headlight assemblies. Very nice. You've got that running light, signature running light, as well as the high beam and low beam there from CFMOTO. And then all of those bright LEDs inside that housing. And then around the back side, it's going to tie into all of those bright LEDs in the back. Going to give you great field of view from the side as well as straight from the back. The RYCO kit also comes with the license plate mount as well as a light to illuminate the plate at night. With the RYCO kit, horn button integrated into the end of the lever. You do have the four-way hazard function. Simply pull out on that red lever. All four corners are going to illuminate. Even with the headlights on, those are very bright. And then around the back side, way good. We do have these kits in stock, ready to ship. To release the four-way hazard, simply go up or down with the lever. And for those of you here in Utah, the only additional items you'll need to be street legal here in the state of Utah are the side mirrors, or at least two mirrors. You can accomplish that with a left view and a right view as seen here, or a left view and a rear view. It's completely up to you. Give us a call, shoot us a text if you have any questions, or if you'd like to get a kit coming, 435-427-3338. We'll also post up a link in the description below where you can go on and place your order online today. Have a great day, everybody.